Let's take a look at what's new in SAP Business One 10.0 Support Package 2311. With SAP Business One, you can now use the PEPAL Exchange process for the cloud edition of SAP Document and Reporting Compliance. The scenario package for SAP Business One Integration Framework is enhanced to connect to PEPAL Exchange. In SAP Business One, updated document settings are available for the PEPAL protocol, allowing you to choose an electronic document service connector for SAP Business One integration platform. An updated tab is available on Processing Targets for Protocol for the PEPAL connector that uses a connection to PEPAL Exchange. Setup is required in SAP Business Technology Platform, known as BTP, for PEPAL Exchange. Cloud Connector needs to be installed for SAP BTP connectivity. Use Cloud Connector Administration to set up your connection for PEPAL. Electronic invoices are imported and managed through the Electronic Documents Import Wizard and PEPAL Exchange. You can now send and receive documents through the PEPAL network. In SAP Business One, you can now more easily manage electronic documents following changes in the Electronic Document Framework. You can now manage and view whether the default series for document types is digital through Document Numbering Setup. You can now select and import multiple files when using the Electronic Document Import Wizard for document information extraction. Default processing targets are now activated in Electronic Document Protocols for a smoother framework experience. The following enhancements are available for the down payment function. As the down payment function works differently in different localizations, the enhancements are adjusted according to localization-specific logic. In sales and purchase orders, you can use the new options in the Copy To drop-down list to create down payment requests or down payment invoices based on the orders. On the Per Document tab of the Document Settings window, for down payment requests and invoices, the new checkbox Separate Discount Percentage and DPM Percentage fields is available. It enables you to display the percentage and amount of the discount from the base document, and they're separated from those of the down payment. On the Per Document tab of the Document Settings window, for down payment requests, sales and purchase orders, deliveries and GRPOs, the new checkbox Allow Control Account Selection is available. It enables you to display and edit the control account on the Accounting tab of the relevant documents. This control account can then be copied to any follow-up documents. Thanks a lot for watching. Now it's time to try out these new features for yourself.